Today, we're taking a look at these thank you paid stickers. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about them. Are they waterproof? Can you use them on clothing? Everything you want to know. You're going to get 5,000 of these. So it comes in 5 rolls right over here. This is the fifth one. I'm going to show you how it sticks on this box right over here. Really like these a lot. Really easy to use. So this is kind of what they look like up close right over here. So it says thank you paid on it. These are 0.75 by 1.5 inches. These stickers are waterproof, which is really nice, and they peel off really easy. You just put them on this box like this. You would use this in a retail setting. This really isn't meant for clothing and stuff like that. This is just kind of meant to mark something paid. The cool part about these is they do stick on here, which is great, but they're not super hard to remove either. So you'll just see here, I just kind of picked it off here. There's no like residue or anything like that. So you don't have to worry about your customers' items that they bought getting the box all nasty or anything like that because it's not going to leave any residue. And like I said, they're just really easy to peel off here. You could just see here, you just mark them easy. And I think that's one of the biggest benefits of these. If you do have a store, you kind of want your workers to move quickly, so the last thing you want is a sticker right here that's hard to peel. You'll just see here, they just come right off. There's no really peeling or hard. Again, these don't leave any residue or anything like that. So if you're looking for a great thank you paid sticker, definitely check these out. You're gonna get 5,000 of them, 5 of these rolls right here. They're easy to peel, easy to take off, don't leave a lot of residue. So go check these out, and a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.